Alright, if you're trying to log into Dark War Survival and the app just crashes right back to your phone's home screen, it is a super annoying problem. But it's usually fixable. Here's a quick guide to get you back in the game. First, let's start with the easiest stuff. The most common reason for a crash at login is a weak internet connection or a server issue. Make sure your Wi-Fi signal is strong, and if it is, try switching to your cellular data. Also, check the official social media pages for Darkware to see if the developers have announced any server maintenance or outages. Sometimes you just have to wait it out. If your connection and the servers are fine, the problem is likely on your device. The crash could be caused by your phone not having enough memory to run the game. You should force close all the other apps running in the background, then give your phone a fresh start by powering it off and on again. If the crash is still happening, the game's file on your phone might be corrupted. You'll want to clear the app's cache. On an Android phone, you can do this in your phone settings under Apps and Storage. On an iPhone, the best way to do this is to simply delete the app and reinstall a fresh copy from the App Store. As long as your account is connected to your Facebook or Google ID, your progress will be safe. Lastly, make sure you're on the latest version of the game. A crash bug like this is often a known issue, and developers usually release a patch to fix it. Go to your App Store and check for any pending updates for Dark War Survival. If there is one, download it and that should solve the problem. Or you can just uninstall then reinstall it to fix the login crashes that you have.